Guangxi Automobile Group Company Limited is a major state-owned enterprise in Guangxi, with its headquarters located in Liuzhou, Guangxi. It has a total asset of 21.178 billion yuan and employs approximately 12,000 people. The history of Guangxi Automobile Group Company Limited can be traced back to the establishment of Liuzhou Machinery Factory, known as the cradle of Guangxi's machinery industry, in 1928. It has established 5 domestic production bases in Liuzhou, Qingdao, Chongqing, Jiangmen, and Nanjing, 2 overseas production bases in Indonesia and India, and 3 R&D centers in Wuhan, Hong Kong, and Shanghai. The company is recognized as a national demonstration enterprise for technology innovation, top 100 in China's automotive supply chain, and top 500 manufacturing enterprises in China. Our company's current main business covers the research, develop, manufacture, and sales of complete vehicles, including new energy commercial vehicles, special purpose vehicles, and electric golf cart, automotive parts and powertrain, as well as automotive services and trade and digital vehicle services. Our company force on the new energy commercial vehicle market and own mature vehicle manufacturing capability and experience. While producing pure electric models, we have also developed hybrid systems, hybrid models. In the automotive parts business field, the group mainly supports traditional energy and new energy commercial vehicles, passenger vehicles, and construction machinery to customers, with products covering 5 major component modules: powertrain, chassis, body, interior and exterior trim, and electrical and electronic components. It has the capability of providing key technical support and services and synchronous development with vehicle enterprises. Browse our catalog for off-the-shelf products, or partner with us for custom OEM ODM solutions tailored to your application.